Welcome to Unlocking the Power Within, 10 Life-Changing Benefits of Qi Gong. Are you ready to discover the incredible benefits of Qi Gong? Let's get started. Benefit 1. Stress relief. Qi Gong helps calm the mind, reduce anxiety, and release tension from the body. Say goodbye to stress and hello to peace. Benefit 2. Improved flexibility. Through gentle movements and stretches, Qi Gong increases flexibility, making everyday activities easier and more enjoyable. Benefit 3. Increased energy. Experience a natural boost of energy as Qi Gong activates your body's vital energy, promoting overall well-being. Benefit 4. Balance and stability. Strengthen your core and improve your balance with Qi Gong's precise movements, reducing the risk of falls and injuries. Benefit 5. Enhanced immune system. By stimulating blood circulation and lymphatic flow, Qi Gong boosts your immune system, keeping you healthy and resilient. Benefit 6. Better sleep. Realign your body's energy and relax your mind with Qi Gong, promoting a deep and restful night's sleep. Benefit 7. Mental clarity. Qi Gong improves cognitive function, enhances concentration, and sharpens mental acuity, allowing you to think clearer and make better choices. Benefit 8. Emotional balance. Release negative emotions and cultivate inner peace with Qi Gong, fostering emotional stability and resilience. Benefit 9. Pain relief. Whether it's chronic pain or muscle tension, Qi Gong's gentle movements and stretches can help alleviate discomfort, improving your quality of life. Benefit 10. Spiritual connection. Experience a profound sense of harmony and connection with Qi Gong, tapping into your inner wisdom and unlocking your true potential. Thank you for joining us on this Qi Gong journey. We hope you found these insights enlightening. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more empowering content. Stay tuned and unlock the power within.